4s.
Taking a look at our weather on the 4s with your There For You weather headlines. Spotty storms are still expected in the forecast. Some flash flood potential is possible for parts of southern Utah. Also, we'll still see some cooler temperatures for a few areas. Again, cool is relatively speaking. We're not going to be, unfortunately, in the 70s during our highs. And then, of course, the 4th of July forecast. What do we expect to see? Well, it looks to be so far great right now. Looking outside the ABC4 News studio, Colonial Flag right now here. Got to see a little bit of the sunshine making its way up. Very thin cloud cover, also slightly breezy, but not by much. Other than that, we are seeing that this low pressure system, basically our spinny little friend that's been creating some of these showers for us, continues to weaken. So it's still bringing up the moisture, but not giving us that necessary energy and lift that we need to create all of the widespread storms. And because of the moisture in our atmosphere, we're actually going to see quite another mild day with below average temperatures, especially around central and southern Utah. That's something we expect to see. So temperatures will be closer to the 90s than into the triple digits that we are normally used to seeing. Also, spotty showers because of that spinny friend of ours still hanging over top of the Great Basin, possible throughout the day, and because of that we still see the possibility of flash flood potential for quite a few areas. It's most likely probable for certain parts such as the San Rafael Swell, Grand Staircase, and we also see parts of Capitol Reef. So please, if you are out in those areas, just keep a heads up and just be weather aware. We also see that we still have the general threat for thunderstorms in this throughout all of the Great Basin for us, so that's something to also keep in mind as we could see lightning and small hail and some possible heavy storms. Again, spotty showers mostly around the higher terrain for parts of northern Utah. It continues into the evening, and then also for parts of Friday we see some spotty showers mostly around the Uintas, and then we see clear conditions for Saturday, but we see cloud cover and winds return. Looking at the regional forecast, we're expecting to see temperatures mostly around the 90s for the entire Beehive State. Take a look at that. Great for us. And speaking about the 90s in St. George, it's only for today. We start to get back into the triple-digit heat for the holiday weekend and even into next work week. For the Wasatch Front, we'll see shower activity for parts of today and then even lingering into the holiday weekend. We can't rule out just a little stray shower here or there, especially around parts of the Wasatch where we have higher terrain.